Well, we got the top bar. Ouch. We got the top bar relocated in the backyard, and the bees look very happy. Oops, there's one of them taking out a dead larva right now. But they seem to have settled in. They're doing the work that bees do, but it's just exciting to have them at an actual spot where we'll be able to collect honey eventually. Got them in this nice area with this ground cover here. Little flowers all around them. It rained kind of hard today, and the top bar looks like it did just fine. So this is exciting stuff. I'll have to do an update when I'm able to check some of the bars to see if they've started to build comb on them. Then we'll really know that they've settled in well. They were very patient with me. So bees, keep up the good work.